What's up, y'all? So I'm about to make me some of those Kool-Aid pineapples. I made some before, but I think I made them a little too sweet. So this time I'm gonna lighten up on the sugar, and I'm gonna be doing the orange one. So I got me some pineapples from Aldi. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. They said to use a tablespoon of sugar, so that's how much I'm gonna use this now. Because last time I went overboard with it.
Like, are these napkins made from scratch or something? Like, why are we sitting here so damn long?
They probably are. They're made from the heart. That's what matters. The heart. They're made from the heart.
And these are the pineapple spears and coconut water.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
What about the chocolate?
Damn it. Yeah, the juice is already sweet, so pour that in here. I'm gonna do 1 pack of orange. First time I did blue raspberry lemonade and cherry, I think. Let this sit in the refrigerator overnight. Kobe, shut up! Now! about to wash my chicken. And yes, we wash chicken in this household. I don't give a damn what y'all do in y'all household, but we're gonna wash it up in here. Get some big chicken breast. So now I'm gonna cut my chicken breast up into strips. Get all this fat off of it. If you can't smell them seasonings that you put on your chicken, you need to add some more. That's all I got to say. Added some grits to it. I didn't feel like chopping up my own, so. I don't even think I told y'all what I'm making. I'm making some fajita chicken, and I'm gonna put it on. I think I'm gonna put mine over some rice with like some white queso sauce. But I'm gonna also make like some tortillas in case, you know, my family wants to put it like on a taco or something. But yeah. So I'm gonna let my chicken and my peppers cook up. Mom. He's getting closer. And look. You see a spoon?